In RCM, the target is to improve quality more and more. The sweeper MILLE entered the market in 1996. From the beginning, it was appreciated as the ideal machine to work in harsh environments with large quantities of dust and debris. Today, we are proud to introduce the renewed MILLE Plus, a new milestone in the cleaning machines market. MILLE Plus is available in 3 different versions. 2 eco-friendly versions, 48-volt electric maintenance-free motor and 3-cylinder dual-fuel Kubota engine, water-cooled. Also available with diesel Kohler Lombardini engine, 3 cylinders, water-cooled. MILLE Plus has a cleaning width of 1700 mm with 2 side brushes and a maximum hourly performance up to 17,900 square meters per hour. The side brushes are retractable in order to be protected from bumps. The hopper has a capacity of 350 liters. Dumping is possible on the ground or up to 1510 mm high. The polyester sack dust filter is placed behind the driving position to grant a perfect view on the cleaning area. It has a filtering surface of 10.5 square meters, the largest of the category. On the other hand, driving position, safety and comfort for the operator of MILLE Plus have been highly improved. As all the RCM sweepers, MILLE Plus is built according to overthrow sweeping system, the traditional RCM cleaning philosophy over 50 years. This system allows a greater collection capacity compared to machines of the same size with front sweeping system. Because of the particular shape, the hopper can be completely filled by action of the main brush, which picks dirt and dust up from the ground and throws them into the hopper from the top. The front driving position, also because of the rear loading system, allows the operator a wide vision of the front area for a precise and safe driving, preventing from incidents with obstacles or persons. MILLE Plus is also designed to be environmentally friendly. The dust buster system, patented by RCM in the 70s, vacuums the dust raised by the side brushes, preventing it to be spread around in the environment. This way, the cleaning is improved, especially in the indoor areas. 2 powerful fans create an airflow towards the filter which retains the dust, releasing clean air in the environment. The dust control discharge system reduces the spreading of the dust during the dumping operations, avoiding the driver to breathe dust. The ordinary maintenance should be easy and fast. This is a priority for RCM technicians, starting from the replacement of the main brush. MILLE Plus can be easily inspected and all components can be rapidly reached to be checked or replaced when necessary. The bypass lever allows to move the machine when engine or motor is off. For the correct and long-lasting sweeping performance of any sweeper, it is essential to keep the filter efficient. During work, to clean filters, just press the button and the electric filter shaker will clean the filters in few seconds. When extraordinary cleaning of the filter is necessary, about once a month, you don't need to disassemble the filter, but simply use the proper tool, connected to a normal vacuum cleaner. To meet specific cleaning needs, the following optionals are available. Left side brush. Front dust conveyor for suction controlled on side brushes. Static sack filter suitable for fine and static dust. Overhead guard. Closed cabin with AC on request. Power steering. Complete lights assembly. Do you need additional info? An RCM partner is always at your disposal, and remember that there's always a red one made just for you.